Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and start the very first project, the Kinetic. You'll see that in Module 1. So the very first thing that you need to do is see where it is in Canvas. If you go into the Canvas file, and you'll see all the projects and modules are broken down by week. We're working in week 1. If you have not looked at the Barry Web Storage video, make sure that you do that, as well as all of these other videos in here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to find the Kinetic zip. Here's the Kinetic project over here. What you need to do is download that file to your local computer. And you can download it anywhere that you want. So I'm taking this file here, clicking on it, and I'm downloading it. I'm going to download it into this particular file folder that I have over here. You can download it wherever you want. So we have now the Kinetic file is downloaded. I'm going to now go to the Gary Launchpad over here, go Barry. And what we want to do is we want to find the web storage again. Make sure you're using the Barry hosted user files and make sure that you're using IT-338. Inside of that is your WIP directory, which again stands for work in project. And you're going to click on upload. Very simple. Then you need to navigate to where the zip file is. So I have it right over here in Kinetic. Going to click on open. And I'm going to upload. Does not take that long. Once you're done, what you're going to do is right-click on that file, and you're going to choose Unzip. And, of course, you're going to confirm it, and it will create the folder for you. You don't need this zip file anymore. You can delete it if you want, or you can leave it just in case you need to redo your folder. If you want to delete it, just right-click on it and choose Delete. It will ask you to confirm. And then you just click on OK. So click on Kinetic, and you see all the files are there. Now we have those files that are uploaded there, all the files that you're going to need to create and complete Module 1. So we're going to go back to the Launchpad by clicking on the X and opening up Dreamweaver. If you don't have Dreamweaver on your Launchpad, just go to Applications. Make sure you choose Adobe Creative Cloud 2017, and there's Dreamweaver. Make sure you look at the videos that talk about the Dreamweaver interface and how to set the preferences. So now we have a site, but we don't have anything created. So to do a site, very simple. We're going to create a new site. The very first thing we want to do is name it, and we're going to call it Kinetic. Very, very important. Now, I'm working off of the Barry University site, so you'll be able to click on the folder, and you'll find an S drive in here. Make sure you choose this PC. Locate your S drive. That will be have your actual name on it. Make sure it says S. That is the web storage files that we looked at before. Find the IT-338 folder. Find the WIP folder. Find the Kinetic folder. And click Select Folder. Once you're done, you can actually save it. However, one thing I want you to do that the book does not tell you to do is I want you to go to Advanced Settings, and I want you to see where it says Default Images folder. In all the other projects, we're going to make sure that the Default Images folder is set to Images. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and whether or not you do it is up to you because the book doesn't ask you to do it in this particular one. And I will explain to you in a minute why it's important. So we don't have any folders to create. So we're going to click on New Folder, and we're going to call it Images. Now, one thing that's very, very important, every file, every folder that you create needs to be all lowercase, no spaces whatsoever. You can use a dash or an underscore if you like. However, once you start using dashes, use dashes all the way. If you use underscores all the way. Obviously, we don't need to do that because images is one word. And then you click on select, and you'll see it already creates it, and click on save. And eventually it will create it. It's going to be taking a little bit longer on mine because of all the different files that I have in my drives that it's looking for. I'm not going to stand here and any longer. I'm going to click on stop. And you can see it now has all the files that we have in here. It's changed to Kinetic in here. If you want to modify the site, you can click on this. Say you spelled something wrong or something that you need to choose. Click on Site, Manage Site. Here's all your sites that are here. This is a different one that I have set up, so don't worry about it. Notice the different spellings. I'm not a very good speller, as you can see. So that's all there is to it. Have a great day.